Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Horth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. The next category is special recognition, and the winner is, quite tricky to get out, oh, it's Robert Groves. In 2017, Robert hand-cycled 2,500 miles across the UK coastline, the only disabled person to complete this incredible challenge. Robert has done a huge amount to promote disability sport by increasing awareness and showing how it impacts on people's lives. He is an acclaimed motivational speaker, sharing his story and his journey since becoming disabled in 2006. He inspires others who are facing challenges never to give up on their dreams. In his nomination, Ian Maskell said, "I was left paralysed following a bike accident. Robert invited me to try one of his hand cycles. I thought I would never be able to cycle again, but Robert gave me the confidence to do so. Since then, I have competed in many charity rides and I want to thank him for helping to change my life." Robert Groves, congratulations.